I'm a plan B, regular bitch. I'm Wednesday, I'm a stone cold Wednesday. I could be a little Wednesday. I'm a stone cold Wednesday. I could be a little hot kiss freaks that treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. Hot miss fish that Rocky Horror. They call me an American Horror.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh my God. What do we do?
I don't know. Check her pulse. Is she breathing?
No, Ernest. Can't you see? Her neck is snapped. Her spine is cracked. Her leg is...
Oh my God.
What do we do?
Let's run away together.
Shut up, Ernest. Don't be stupid.
Let's buy a boat in Hawaii and name it We're Murderers.
Look, we talked about killing her before. I mean, this...
Ah!
No!
Oh, no, help!
Shh!
Shrek! Shrek!
No,
Shrek!
it's okay. It's okay.
What did you do with the princess?
Donkey, shh. I'm the princess.
Ah!
It's me. In this body.
Oh, my God, you ate the princess! Can you hear me?
Donkey!
Listen, keep breathing!
No!
I'll get you out of there! Shrek! 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 Shrek!
This is me.
Princess? What happened to you? You're, different.
I'm ugly, okay?
Yeah, well, was it something that you ate? Because I told Shrek those rats was a bad idea.
Of course, chocolate never hurts. Like what? They're cocoa beetles from Zanzibar.
I want to be with my real mom and dad. I want you to let me go.
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother.
Apologize at once, Coraline.
No.
I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
What are you doing? Ow, that hurts!
You may come out when you've learned to be a loving daughter.
What's this?
This is the North Pole.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Where's the snow?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement. Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh, my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
I'm not quite sure why I'm here or what I'm doing, but there's a reason.
Ma'am, we're discussing the rezoning for the Portillos. Do you have any comments on that?
For what?
We're discussing the rezoning on 53rd for...
Well, I live on 63rd.
Again, we're here to hear comments about the rezoning.
Well, I don't like Facebook, and I don't like the internet because I can't find a job. The library blocked my password. Now tell me, does that make any sense to you?
It's very effective, and the blood is a nice touch also. Yeah, I can't give you anything. No, I'm sorry. Really, no candy for grown-ups. Come on. Go away. Seriously, asshole, go bother somebody else. Are you kidding me right now? I said get out of here. I mean it. Wait, so if I give you candy, you'll leave? Fine. Here. Happy Halloween.
Look
Looks like Miss High and Mighty ain't so perfect after all.
It was just a little slip. Rome wasn't built in a day, you know.
Size the fucker really had it coming. Take it. Told everyone I'm a bitch, so I became it. Always had.
Oh my god, oh my god, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh my god, what do we do?
I don't know. Check her pulse. Is she breathing?
No, Ernest, can't you see? Her neck is snapped, her spine is cracked, her leg is...
Oh my god.
What do we do?
Let's run away together.
Shut up, Ernest, don't be stupid!
Let's buy a boat in Hawaii and name it we're murderers.
They think I'm funky. My name is Mortem. Yeah, you say it double. Simming that girl. Say it again. I'm nice and smooth. So nice and sassy.
I'm a plan B regular bitch. I'm a stone cold Wednesday. I could be a little Wednesday. I'm a stone cold Wednesday. I could be a little hot kiss freaks that treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. I'm Miss Fish that Rocky Horror Picture. They call me an American Oracle.
This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do. It smells so good. She couldn't have been that crazy. I don't think so. Oh, you don't think so, huh? No. Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven to eat it. Yeah, to eat it. Oh, no. No, 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 silly, to dry it. But it exploded, and they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head. Here it is.
Tough guys don't like to repeat themselves. I'm talking to you, Grandma! Now, I suppose all of you are wondering how I got this black eye.
Not really.
Grandma, you said that! Was it you, Grandma?
It was me. I said it.
Here's a preview. Be warned, it's intense.
Who's Beetlejuice?
Don't ever say that name.
Beetlejuice.
If you say his name 3 times, he will appear.
Beetlejuice.
The juice is loose.
Give me back my slippers. I'm the only one that knows how to use them. They're no use to you. Give them back to me. Give them back.
Keep tight inside of them. Their magic must be very powerful, or she wouldn't want them so badly.
You stay out of this, Glinda, or I'll fix you as well.
Oh, rubbish. You have no power here. Be gone before somebody drops the house on you, too.
Very well. I'll bide my time. And as for you, my fine lady, it's true, I can't attend you here and now as I'd like. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
Ear so cute, nice tail, good mood. Good mood. Good mood. Long mane, big hoop, shiny coat, what's new? Small ear, so cute, nice tail, good mood. Good mood. Good mood. I walk, I trot, I lope, I gallop. I walk, I trot, I lope, I gallop. I walk, I trot, I lope, I gallop. I walk, I trot, I lope, I gallop.
Oh, no, help! Shrek! Shrek!
No,
Shrek!
it's okay, it's okay.
What did you do with the princess?
Donkey, shh, I'm the princess.
Ah!
It's me, in this body.
Oh my God, you ate the princess! Can you hear me?
Donkey!
Listen, keep breathing!
No!
I'll get you out of there! Shrek! 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 Shrek!
This is me.
Princess? What happened to you? You're, different.
I'm ugly, okay?
Yeah, well, was it something that you ate? Because I told Shrek those rats was...
Walking down a darkened hallway, everybody tends to look at you. It's not because you're different, it's just because you're so scary cool. A sinister style mystery with a smile. You dropped it gorgeous, dropped it gorgeous. High school gives me the creeps, but when I'm with my peeps, you can't ignore us. This is where the cool kids rule. Monster, monster high, monster high, monster, monster high.
I spent forever on this to semi-hate it, just to wipe it off. And I applied this ball cap on thick, so wish me luck. Oh God. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Nope. Okay, well. Oh God. Oh. That is not good. It's just applying. It's coming off in pieces? What? That is so weird. Oh, what? I think this is the craziest I've ever applied it. I can't even see the seams until I start rubbing it off. What the heck? What? Lash is gone. Emergency blanket coming soon. Oh yeah.
Don't rush, slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop. Where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Blam the trash, man it's so tough.
Alright, yo, put the belly on the body, make a catch. Seen her watch, now she wanna give. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, and my forget what. When she want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes the other day, I seen her waiting for a bus. Maybe this a Moncler sweater, diesel denim. Buy another one, my pockets fat like heather. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats and they leather. Go broke never, on my grind. She make it clap like I'm Busta Rhymes. I got the juice, the sauce and all them things. I blammed her twice a night with all my bling.